I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by reproducing the crash so you can see patterns. This tells you whether it's resource exhaustion, permissions, or a bug. Enable developer options and USB debugging, and clear cache to free memory quickly. Once done, use logcat or built-in crash reports to capture the error string. This is critical because the text points to the failing module. Make sure to record the device model and Android version, as differences affect fixes and compatibility. Now you act on the evidence. If logs show memory or native crashes, clear data, reinstall the app, and apply the latest update. This resolves corrupted installs. If power management kills the process, whitelist the game from battery optimization and background restrictions. For graphics-related errors, reduce in-game render settings and update device GPU drivers or vendor firmware. Once done, test each change individually so you know which adjustment fixed the crash. This helps if you need to roll back. Finish by running an extended playtest while monitoring logs to confirm stability. Intermittent issues often reappear under sustained load. If crashes persist and logs implicate system libraries, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort, only after other fixes fail. Make sure to gather concise reproduction steps, full logcat output, Android and device versions, and send these to the developer or support. If nothing works, restore your backup and await an app or OS update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.